What comes to your mind when you hear the words black hole? A giant cosmic monster that swallows everything in its path. A mysterious doorway to another universe. Or perhaps the most dangerous object in the entire universe. The truth is, black holes are even more fascinating than science fiction. Today, we're going to explore the reality of black holes and discover what scientists actually know about these mysterious objects. Black holes are regions in space where gravity becomes incredibly strong. In fact, the gravitational pull is so powerful that nothing can escape once it gets too close, not even light itself. Because light cannot escape, black holes are completely dark, which is why they are called black holes. But if they are invisible, how do scientists know they exist? The answer is simple. Scientists observe the effects black holes have on nearby stars, gas, and dust. When objects orbit around something invisible with enormous gravity, it provides strong evidence that a black hole is there. Most black holes are formed when massive stars reach the end of their lives. For millions of years, these stars produce energy by burning fuel in their course. But eventually, the fuel runs out. Without energy pushing outward, gravity wins the battle. The star collapses inward under its own weight, creating a huge explosion called a supernova. If the remaining core is massive enough, it can collapse into a black hole. But black holes are not all the same size. Some are only a few times heavier than our Sun. Others are truly gigantic. At the centers of many galaxies, including our own, lie supermassive black holes containing millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*. Even though it is incredibly powerful, Earth is completely safe because it is located very far away. So strong that nothing can escape once it crosses a boundary called the event horizon. Not even light, which is the fastest thing in the universe, can break free. That's why black holes appear completely dark. But how do black holes form? Most black holes are born when massive stars reach the end of their lives. After burning their fuel for millions of years, these giant stars collapse under their own gravity. The outer layers explode in a powerful supernova, while the core is crushed into an incredibly small and dense point, creating a black hole. To understand how extreme black holes are, imagine squeezing the entire Earth into a ball about the size of a marble. The density would be unimaginable. In a black hole, matter is compressed even more dramatically. Scientists believe that at the center of most black holes lies a region called the singularity, where gravity becomes infinitely strong and the known laws of physics stop working. What actually happens there remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. Black holes come in different sizes. Some are only a few times more massive than our Sun, while others are truly gigantic. These are known as supermassive black holes, and they can contain millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun. In fact, at the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, there is a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*. Even though it is about 26,000 light-years away from Earth, its gravitational influence helps shape the motion of stars throughout our galaxy. This object contains millions of times the mass of our Sun. In 2019, astronomers captured the first ever image of a black hole, a historic achievement that helped confirm decades of scientific predictions. The image showed the black hole in the galaxy Messier 87. So, are black holes the terrifying cosmic monsters we often imagine? Not exactly. They are among the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe, but they also help scientists understand gravity, space, time, and the fundamental laws of nature. The more we study black holes, the more they reveal about the universe itself. And perhaps the most fascinating fact of all is this. Even today, some of the biggest questions about black holes remain unanswered. What really happens beyond the event horizon? Could information survive inside a black hole? And what secrets are still waiting to be discovered? The universe hasn't revealed those answers yet. But scientists are searching for them every single day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,